We think that the growth will remain quite strong across most of the countries in our region. However, as external environment is worsening and challenges accumulate, we think that the economic growth will be not that strong as we previously expected in our previous forecast. We think that the slowdown in Eurozone, which is quite dramatic, will have a big effect on the region, since most countries in our region are closely integrated into regional production chains. Trade tensions between US and China at the moment do not create much problems for the region. However, that can change if Chinese economy reacts to the tensions with much lower growth that will have global repercussions, and of course our countries which export a lot, many of them, they will be affected. At the moment, labor shortages, in our opinion, have on a balance a rather positive effect on our economies. They stimulate very dynamic wage rise, and then consequently private consumption is rising. And in the near future, though, the situation may change because tight labor markets create constraints to companies. We are cautiously optimistic that companies would increase their investment into capital-intensive technologies so that to solve this issue, which cannot be solved with immigration or changing demographic trends. Russia and Turkey are doing so badly for very different reasons. What's going on in Turkey is a short recession as a reaction to external shock. Turkey has accumulated external imbalances for quite a long time, and now as a shock came in the shape of increasing US interest rates, the economy reacted with sharp depreciation of lira. We believe that this shock will have a short-term effect on Turkish economy, and it has all the potential to bounce back already in 2020. While Russia has very different reasons for growing so slowly over a prolonged period of time. And international sanctions have only little role in this, we think, because it's mostly structural problems, lack of reforms, which drag the economy down, and the macro-financial stability, which country has been having for a long time, is not helping much in the situation.